Hello, Jack. My name is Jesus, and I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate your time. This video is simply informational and educational, just showing you some tips and tricks and how to become more relevant online and how to increase your online presence, right? To ensure that you're getting the number of phone calls that you need, the amount of clients that you need, the number of jobs that you need to essentially meet your financial, you know, goals, things like that, right? To ensure that you're paying your employees, things like that, just to kind of grow and scale your business, right? That's like the biggest thing. So first things first, this is kind of alarming, seeing that your website is down at the moment. That's actually not good. So I can't really tell you so much in content, but once you get your website up, Google is looking for content, right, and keywords. So anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 keywords is a good place to start on your homepage, okay? Just allowing Google to see that you're actually answering questions that people are typing in. They're wanting to see that you are a pest control company out of Kingsville or Corpus Christi, right? Any of the larger, metropolitan area near you. Kind of if you're able to answer that question or be okay, because like to break things down for you, Google is a popularity contest, right? And they want to see that you're able to answer the questions that people are looking for. So if someone is in Kingsville, right, and they need pest control companies, they're going to search what? Pest control, Kingsville, Texas, right? And if your website answers that question, you'll be the first one there, right? You'll be more visible, you'll be more relevant. So since you don't have a website right now at the moment, you're basically invisible. Nobody can find you, okay? Now, I went on ahead and typed in whenever I Googled pest control Kingsville, Texas, right, I saw that your biggest competition here has a website, Kingsville Pest Control. So I went on ahead and typed it in here on my tool, right? And this tool is called Ahrefs. Now, this is a paid tool. Obviously, I am in the industry, but there are some other free tools out there that you can use just by typing in let's see, you can type in like free keyword researcher. You could do free backlink checker, and you could see basically what I'm seeing here. Okay, so what's this doing? What this tool is doing basically is pulling back the curtain so that I can see what's going on in the background, right? And this is for your competitors. So as you can see here, they have 13 referring domains. Now, the referring domains are just the amount of websites that are pushing traffic to their website, okay? And then they're doing that 62 times. This is what backlinks are, right? The amount of times that these referring domains are pushing traffic to them, giving them 9 people to search their website per month, or to actually look at their website per month. And they have 18 total keywords. If I'm honest with you, this would be a real easy market to dominate. I've seen, in anywhere between 10,000 backlinks and 5,000 referring domains. So this would be really easy to dominate here. So if these backlinks are good enough to rank your competitors, well, then they're good enough to rank you, right? And that's the good thing about this. So as soon as you get your website up, I would definitely do the research so that you can get your backlinks up so that you can be number one on Google, right? Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about today are citations. Now, citations is how you end up here on the map pack. Now, if I'm honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? I don't know if you're like me, but I don't find what I'm looking for on the 4th or 5th page of Google, right? I'm normally going to this map pack here. I'm trusting the map pack that tells me exactly what I want to know, right? It tells me exactly what I'm looking for. It answers my question, as I was explaining earlier. Now, in order to get here up in this map pack, you need more citations than your competitor. Now, a citation is anywhere that you can find your business name, your address, and your phone number across any number of directories, right? Now, a directory can be Yelp, it can be Yellow Pages, White Pages, Home Advisor, you've got Angie's List, there's a ton others, right? There's millions of directories out there, but the most powerful are going to be the ones that are local to your market, right? And this is how you end up in this map pack here. So if you wanted to rank up here, you'd want more than your competitors. So if these guys have, I don't know, let's say they have, 50 to 75 citations, then you're going to want to one up them and go to like 150 and 200 just to ensure that you're dominating here and you're getting all the phone calls, you're getting all the clients, you're getting all of the business, to ensure that you're meeting, all the goals that you have set for your business, right, and yourself. So you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So You can obviously get all the take all this information, write it down, and use it for yourself. Apply it yourself. As soon as you get that website up and running, you'd want to stack those backlinks on top of yours, ensuring that you have more citations. Right, researching those citations that your competitors are using, so that you can go on ahead and outrank your competitors here in the Map Pack. And then upping your content, right? Making sure that you have at least 1,500 words on that homepage. If you're looking to outsource any help, you could definitely reach out to me. Obviously, I am in this niche. This is what I do for a living. I help small businesses scale. If you're looking for any guidance whatsoever, you can also reach out to me, okay? With that being said, Jack, thank you so much for your time. I really hope you get that website up and running again. And I'd be glad to make you another video so I can show you exactly where you're at. So thanks again, Jack. I appreciate your time. You have a great day.